got here? Another lawnmower? This one is Play Day lawnmower with bubbles. Are you excited, dude? This thing is awesome. Look, it's supposed to shoot out bubbles. It's green color. Is that one of your favorite colors?
Blue color.
Oh, blue and green.
Yeah, blue.
Push and bubble mower. That's what it's actually called by Play Day. So let's grab it. It's for ages 2 and plus. Let's grab it. Let's go to the back and unbox it. So grab it. Do it. You can do it. Come on, let's go. It's not heavy?
Heavy.
Oh. You need help? Alright, even better. Let's get it done.
We need tape. Let's cut the tape.
Got some tape? Well, that's what I got for tape. Scissors. Alright. Let's go unbox it. I want to see what it's all about. Hopefully it comes with.
Hey, you said the backyard is sunny.
Oh,
It's shady.
perfect. That's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay, well, let's open this side. You can open it. Take it out. Slowly. Oh man, look at that. The new bubble lawnmower.
Oh my gosh, you have to cut these zap
That's
straps.
fine. Okay, not a big deal. New lawnmower for our lawnmower garage.
Yes, it's a good thing we have this.
We got the bubbles with it, which is perfect. That's exactly what we need. Okay, the main thing that I have to do just
Oh, you have to cut this.
yeah. Okay, let's just do one thing at a time. I gotta obviously cut this line, free up, free up the bottom part. And there's more to it. Perfect. Oh, so you already know how it goes, okay?
This one clipped in.
Perfect. There you go. Okay. I think that this here is the.
Put it here.
Yeah. Let's open that up. Can you open this up? I need my help. There we go. There you go. Got some stickers too, or what? One sticker. Where do you think that goes?
It's supposed to go.
That's like the meter for kilometers. How fast it's going to tell that. That's the sticker.
Wait, put this on though.
Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just stick it on. Oh yeah, that's fine for me. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, what do we got next? Let's
Still a little loose.
what do we got? That's still a little loose. It probably needs to clip in. Just gotta push it in more. There you go. Oh yeah, you hear that clip?
Oh my gosh, this is too hard.
What?
Yeah.
Try it. Try it on concrete first. Because it's so low.
It's so low.
That one's a bit low for you. So that's fine. Let's just
And
push it
that
some more.
kid was like this.
Push it some more. Let's see. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. My way. Push it my way. Not away from me. Let's hear it. Oh yeah.
Guys, thanks for watching our video and spending time with us. Click and watch our other videos right here. Make sure you leave a like and always subscribe to our channel, Brothers and Us. Thanks for watching again. Bye.